What if I say you I have generated these videos absolutely for free, and even you can do it too. Just you have to brief your prompt, and just in few seconds you can just turn your prompt into your imagination video for real, I'm saying. And as you can see, this was the image which I have turned into the video, and that too absolutely for free. So basically this is the best hollow AI alternative, and I'm damn sure that this will work for you. So yes, about this I'm saying you, the link is in the description. And trust me guys, this is the best video generator till now, as well as the image generator too. And they have introduced the new options called Vibe, where you can post all your AI created generations, and that's mind blowing for real. Like, just look at the consistency of the character and each and everything. Okay, so at very first, let's try with the basic image generation. Okay, so I am writing any random imagination here. It's just a wild guess. You can also try yours too. And after that, let me type it. Then you can just select your resolution from here, and you will get various things. So let me just type it, and as you can see, the output is best as I mentioned the prompt here. But it's kinda blurry, you can say dinosaurs are kinda blurry, but you can edit it. The more brief your prompt is, the more refined your image will be. And you can edit the image from here, but you have to click that upward arrow, okay? So as you can see, it has started generating the images. And even though if you wanna just animate this image, simply click on animate, okay? And if you want to animate it with the help of a custom prompt, you can click on that custom animate option. I really like this view, right? Because just look at it, animation is absolutely perfect, and it's really looking like a movie scene, you can say. And even though you can extend this, right? I mean, this video is of 5 seconds, but you can even make it to 9 to 10 seconds just by clicking that extend animation option. And it is the best thing which I just saw. And let me try this for once. I'll show you. And trust me guys, this is gonna save you a lot of hours, because it generates whole thing in just few minutes. Like, even though if, we were using Howler AI, it used to take like 12 hours to generate a bunch of videos, because there was a lot of queue. But in this, it's not in that way. Okay, so now let's generate something crazy. Okay, so as you can see, I have generated this prompt from the chat GPT, and it's kind of briefed up. Okay, I have briefed it so that the image will be more refined and more topic friendly, of what output I want. So as you can see, the image is perfect, right? So let's do one thing. Okay, now although he has generated the image, what we'll do is we'll just add the headlights option here. Okay, like want to turn the headlights on of the car. So let's see how much refined output he can give us. So let me type it here easily. So what shall I type? Okay, yeah. And this is also the best option which I felt like. You can just describe it, the edits which you want to make, and it will help you up very much easy. So let me just edit this image, and I'll click on the up arrow, and let's see what kind of thing does it generate. So as you can see, he has generated a lot of, I guess, 4 images. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll just examine each and every image. So as you can see, damn, this was impressive. This is also awesome, right? So as you can see, yeah, this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect, guys. So as you can see, you can even edit your generated image. Okay, you can even edit your generated image, and you can do plenty of things from here, and you can easily download it from here too. So let me look at it once. It's absolutely beautiful. Like, with the refining he has generated, it's absolutely impressive as well as the mind blowing. And now let's try for this. Okay, now what we'll do is I have again generated one brief prompt from the chat GPT, and then I'm pasting it here. And what we'll do is we'll generate the image from here, and we'll animate it. Okay, and let's see what crazy output we will get. So the image is generating, and it will take few seconds, max to max 1 minute you can assume. And you can see this is the absolute POV video. Okay, Now I'll show you the capability of this. So in the all three images, you can see the Android is there, phone is there, but in this pic, the phone is not there, right? So what I'll do is we'll try to add the phone here. So I guess this image is absolutely perfect to just frame our edits, and I'll just add this. And now let's see what does it generate. I'll just check once about all the images. So let's start with this. Hmm, this is okay. This is also perfect, you can say. Yeah, this is impressive. So now let's animate it. As you can see, you can customly animate it, but I'm not doing it. This animate option is awesome because you don't have to always brief about the custom animation, right? What this animate option does is it just what we can say, it just verifies the image, all the actions in it, and it animate accordingly. So guys, as you can see, as I told you, it's absolutely amazing. Like just 5 seconds of this clip, and it's absolutely impressive. Even though you can add music there, the option has been given, and even you can extend the animation too. So let me go for this, okay? We'll extend the animation, and again our video is generating, and again max to max it will take just few minutes. So finally we have extended this video, and you can see the screening and each and everything, the camera angle and all. It's absolutely impressive and up to the point. Like I haven't even given a custom prompt, but still it had shown his capabilities. So now let's try something crazy, okay? Now what I'll do is I'll just add 2 3 pics here. Now what I'll do is I'll just add this pic here, not this one. Let me go to back again. What I'll do is now let's turn this picture into the video. Okay, now I'm just giving a simple prompt. Okay, like you can see, just 3 word prompt. It is, I haven't even briefed about what I want in this pic. I want to just animate it, and let's see what kind of animation does it provides. And this is also awesome. This feature is also amazing. Like in the next video, if you wanna, I can even show you how you can create the ads with the brands with the help of this, like of your custom character, how you can create the advertisement for the brands using their products with this tool. If you wanna, you can tell me in the comment. I'll work on that video too. So the video is generating, and as you can see, it has generated the whole scene here. And this is impressive. You can see, like, it's really looking like a movie scene, right? With the 4K image quality. The more clear your image will be, the more refined it'll give you the output. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe the channel, and I'm gonna bring much more crazy stuff like this. Meet you in the next video.